There, I got a problem and I got a solution. For brushing my teeth, I usually use toothpaste. It's almost gone. I need to refresh it, but I thought, why another plastic tube? I can also use bicarb soda. I took just a little from a huge pot in the kitchen. I usually take it for baking bread, but you can also brush your teeth with it. It costs next to nothing, and it works. I tried it yesterday evening so that I wouldn't flip today, but it's good. Minutes.
Now we don't wait for that, eh? For 2 minutes. Come on, my dear. This is for the camera.
Well, the funny thing is, with this stuff, you can talk right away because it doesn't make so much fume in your mouth.
Soap.
So
Yeah.
it's spume, whatever,
Yeah,
the bubbly thing. So this is good. It cleans really well. Only it's salty. So I have to stop talking because I have to.
Yeah. All right.